In this video, I will show you how to turn an Excel model into an app in only a few minutes. Let's use this Excel as an example. The model contains 7 input variables, 3 output cells, a chart, and 2 tables with conditional formatting. Unfortunately, Excel is often not an ideal format to distribute such a model to coworkers or clients. Let's open our Excel file in Airrange and start a new calculation app. We add a title and format it in our rich text field. Next, let's add a number slider for our calculation input. We link our input field to the corresponding cell in our spreadsheet. Under Properties, we can specify the formatting of the input. Now that you know how to create number sliders, we went ahead and added them for each of the other 6 inputs. Next, we add the results fields that will display the outputs of the calculation. Again, we need to link this element with the corresponding cell in our spreadsheet. I have added the other 2 calculation results in the same way. Now, let's add the chart into the app and select the chart we want to be displayed. Let's add an Airrange table component. Then we select the range of cells for the table. Under Properties, we select the checkbox to display conditional formatting in our app. I already added the second table in the same way. We are now ready to save and run the app. To share the app with others, press the button Share in the header. We hope you feel more confident converting existing models into apps using Airrange. If you need more help, feel free to reach out to us.